Guess what's coming? A special surprise, handmade with love, that consists of all the natural ingredients with a touch of magic powder to produce a radiant carrot red shade for a beautiful tint. Presenting to you DIY lip balm recipe. Starting with shea butter. Packed with vitamins A and E, this butter nourishes and softens the lips. Candelilla Wax forms a barrier on the lips that helps to lock in moisture. Next is avocado oil. Rich in healthy fats, avocado oil deeply hydrates and nourishes the lips. This also has anti-aging properties. After this, we have a super oil, castor oil. It deeply penetrates into the skin, providing intense moisture. Also, it helps soothe irritated and inflamed lips. Vanilla extract provides a sweet, soothing vanilla aroma. It contains antioxidants that help protect the lips from environmental damage. Also, it has a calming effect on the lips. Next is cosmetic grade mica powder. It adds a beautiful red tint to the lip balm. Let's meet our hero of this recipe, strawberry powder. It gently exfoliates the lips, removing dead skin cells and leaving them smoother and softer. Friends, the related links are given in the description box. I must tell you, this ingredient is very important. Now that we have all the ingredients ready, we are going to dive into the recipe. I'll be using an oil diffuser lamp to make this recipe. Start with taking 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, followed by half tablespoon of castor oil. After this, add 1.5 tablespoon of Candelilla Wax. Next, add 2 tablespoons of shea butter. Now, with the help of double boiling method, we will melt these waxes and mix the oils. See friends, the mixture has completely blended. Make sure it is transparent and very clear. Now it's the time to add vanilla extract. Then add the strawberry powder. Lastly, we are adding the red mica powder. Friends, now you have to mix it very patiently. Our lip concoction is looking very good, and yes, yummy too. Now it's the time to pour the mixture into the containers. After pouring, please allow it to rest for a good 30 to 40 minutes at room temperature. And if you are refrigerating it, then please do not exceed 10 minutes. After that, it's the time to share the results. we have crafted a beautifully tinted, deeply moisturizing lip balm that feels as good as it looks. The natural strawberry flavor and radiant carrot red tint make it truly special. Now it's your turn. Gather your ingredients and follow along to make your own DIY lip balm. And share your creations with me in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing DIY projects. Thank you for joining me, friends. Until we meet next time, take a very, very, very good care of yourselves and stay radiant.